So hello guys, this is a plumber block base. So as we know, the plumber block is a mechanical component which is holds a rotating shaft to a fixed part. So we will design this thing in Catia with a software. So without wasting time, we get started. So first I'm going to partition bench. So if you see in the plumber block from the top, it is somewhat look like its base somewhat look like a rectangle. So that's why I'm using the top line. I'm using the position sketch and reversing the horizontal and vertical axis according to my need. So now select this center rectangle, drag it and place it like this. Now give the dimensions. We are not following any standard dimensions. We are making this. We are planning for this video. That's why I'm not taking any standards. Now double click on this dimension. We can approximate dimensions. So in my case, the 350 will be a length and 100 will be a width. So now that is okay. Click on this exit workbench and make it is 3D by giving the pad command. So you can give the thickness. Now it is okay. Okay. So okay, on these edges I don't want these sharp edges. Click on this preview. Now it is too small. Update to 15. Click on OK. So that is somewhat okay. Now I want the same on the opposite side as well. You can use the mirror or it is a simple component. That is why I am using the 3D filter again. So now the base is okay. Now the shaft. So I'm making the shell. For making it hollow, you can use this shell option. So now the base thing is okay. So now we need an upper thing that holds the support for a rotating shaft and inside a bearing. So now we will use this. We will design that shaft bottom support. So now click on this front plane, choose the position sketch option. So we will use a thing on this front plane and extrude for holding this rotating shaft. So click on this front plane and click on the position sketch option. Ensure that the vertical and horizontal axis aligned properly and click on this rectangle like this. Click on the dimensions and make the bottom line and this line will coincide with each other. Now click on the dimensions. You can give the dimensions. As I told you, it is for video making purpose. I'm not following any standard values. So this is mandatory because this groove is act as a holding the shaft. This hole in this circle. Double click and here what value you given, it is a shaft diameter. In my case it is not okay. I'm given the 100. So now it is okay. Now too much things are there to trim. So as you can see, the height it is also that much I don't need, so I'm reducing that one. So now it is okay, and the height is also that much of I don't need. I'm reducing it to double click and update the value 60. Now it is okay. 60 is fine. So for safety I'm increasing the 10 more. Click on the trim command and delete the lines that you don't need. Okay, everything is okay. Click on the exit workbench and okay, so this much is okay. Click on the exit workbench. Now click on this pad command. I want pad command. I want this on both sides. I'm clicking this period extend option. You can give the dimension here or else you can choose the plane as well. So you can give the dimension as 40 preview. Okay, for choosing the plane it is not okay here, because so like this it is okay. Now it is ready to hold a shaft, but if the shaft rotates while touching this inner surface, it will cause a friction, and there will be a uh, quick wear out problem. So for that we need a bearing here. So for inserting the bearing there is no gap, so we need to make a gap. So now that is okay. So we need a hole here for making this upper cover and bottom cover holding to each other. So we are making that holes right now. So I'm clicking on the top plane. So I'm making a profile sketch. So before that I need a edge of this 3D object. Click on this project 3D option and click on the profile. Click on the profile like this. Click on the exit and give the dimensions. So, that much of sharp edge I don't need, so I'm using the corner option. Click on the dimension. Use the radius of this arc as a 30. It is okay. It is not okay means you can edit them. So okay guys, that is okay. Double click and make the dimension. Okay, that is fine. That is fine now. Everything is okay. Actually exit from this workbench and update this value. Now I want it on the other side as well. So now it is okay. Both sides are there. There is a gap for hole as well. I'm making that hole with a thread. So I'm using the hole option, hole tool, and I'm making the center by clicking on the center point of the point and plane. Now give the dimension. Double click and make it to 90. That's fine. So now, so don't need to give hold up. You have to give. So okay. So now go to this thread window and enable this thread option, and you can use this metric thick option from the drop down. You can select this M19. Click on preview. The diameter will adjust according to that. You don't need to give separately. Okay, click on, okay. Now the thread is, now the hole with the thread is on side only. I want it on the other side as well. I'm using the 3D mirror option. So now the bottom plane is okay. So now for holding the bearing we need an inner groove. So we will make that groove now. Now make that groove with a rectangle like this. So I'm making a rectangle like here. Okay, no problem. Double click on the dimension and click for the dimension and make sure this edge and this edge are coincide with each other. Now it is okay. You can edit these dimensions for with reference to the bearing that you designed. So I have made the bearing with a 30 thickness. Okay, Okay, now you can see if I made this 30 groove, it is coming inside this hole, so I need to change that dimension. So what I have to do is, the pad we have done, so we need to increase this size. I'm making it to 40, I'm making it to 25. Now it is okay. We will check for this one. So again it is not okay. Okay, the whole we can try to increase this size as well, whole size, whole distance. Double click on that, you can now it is a 90. So look it for once, check it. It is okay means, oh okay, that is okay. Now that is okay. Okay, so now we have a closed profile like this. So this is okay now. So now this is okay now. So you can use this groove option for removing the material with respect to your rotational axis. So I'm using this and just selecting this horizontal as a, so now you can see, so there is a hole, which means it is cutting somewhat excessively. So we need to increase this pad size. So click on this pad sketch, you can increase this value. I click on the exit, update it, you can see that's it. So that's it guys. So this is for optional, you can give this 3D fillet option in order to see this properly. So this is what all this in this video, and the next video is about upper cover, so don't miss that video.